Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying the current festive season. So children, in this week we did lesson number 15, 17 and 16. I told you that lesson number 15 and 17 are connected, so we will do them together, and in this video also I am discussing lesson number 15 and 17. So first 15 chapter is about is, are and am, where we use is with all the singular forms of nouns. We use is, like with Amit, Mary, he or she. With your I, you always use am, and with your things you always use it. Like if you are talking about it, one thing, or the mango, okay. And where you use are, you, we, they, Madhu and Sham. Madhu and Sham are two persons, so we will use here are. So children, when you talk about something which is happening now, which shows that what a person or thing is doing, in the present tense you always use is, are and am. So it was very simple chapter, and there was nothing to be very confused about it. You just have to be clear about singular and plurals. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind is whether we are talking about present tense or past tense. So if I will start lesson number 17, first I will just compare 15 and 17 chapter. So in 15, when we use is, in the place of is we will use was in lesson number 17. So is used in the present tense, was is used for the past tense, and for all the singular forms of nouns. So the same thing will be applicable for singular forms of noun, but the only difference is that is used in the present form and was is used which has already happened, okay. And when you talk about with I, when you talk about present you always use am, and when you talk about past you always use was. And same thing, when you talk about present you always use are, and when you talk about past you always use were, and with plural forms of noun. So you just have to be clear about these three things, then it will be very easy for you to just solve the practice work, okay. I hope I have given practice work of every chapter, so I hope it is clear to you and there is not any problem, because these two chapters are interlinked, they are connected, and just you have to keep in mind the difference, okay children, where we are talking about past and where we are talking about present. So let me just share few examples of your past. When you talk about something which has happened, so example like yesterday, okay, then broken word is of past, then Rhea is 7 years old last year. We have used the word last year, so it will come here was. So these things you have to keep in your mind, that whether you are using the word which is given in the past, yesterday, last year, last month, or few years back, they all belong to the past tense, okay. I hope you all are clear about these things, and please, I have prepared these short notes for you so that you know the difference, okay. I hope you are clear. Thank you so much.